How much does Wealthsimple charge per trade? Wealthsimple Trade has become a leading choice for Canadian investors due to its commission-free trading model, making it highly accessible for beginners and cost-conscious investors. The platform allows users to trade stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies without incurring traditional brokerage fees. However, while trades are commission-free, other charges may apply, such as a 1.5% currency conversion fee for US-denominated securities unless users opt for the Wealthsimple Plus subscription, which costs $10 per month. This subscription enables users to hold US dollars in their account, effectively eliminating repeated currency conversion fees when trading US equities. Wealthsimple Trade offers no account minimums and no maintenance fees, which is advantageous for new investors or those with smaller portfolios. Its intuitive app and web interface make trading straightforward, encouraging more Canadians to participate in financial markets. The platform also integrates seamlessly with other Wealthsimple services, such as its robo-advisory and savings tools, providing a comprehensive financial ecosystem for its users. Despite its strengths, there are limitations. The currency conversion fee can accumulate quickly for investors frequently trading US stocks without a subscription. Wealthsimple Trade also lacks access to more complex investment instruments such as options, bonds, or global equities. Additionally, it does not offer advanced tools like margin accounts or RESP accounts, which are standard in other brokerage platforms. These constraints may deter active or sophisticated investors seeking a broader range of tools and options. Reviews from users highlight the simplicity and accessibility of the platform as key advantages. Many appreciate the ability to start investing without worrying about commission fees, especially for long-term strategies like buy and hold. However, active traders or those with significant exposure to US markets often critique the platform for the costs tied to currency conversion and the need to upgrade to Wealthsimple Plus to bypass them. Some users also express frustration over the lack of real-time streaming quotes unless a subscription is purchased, which can be inconvenient for those relying on immediate market data. Wealthsimple Trade stands out as an excellent option for casual or beginner investors in Canada. It offers a low-cost, user-friendly entry point into trading, coupled with a commitment to transparency and simplicity. However, for those seeking advanced trading features or lower costs for frequent US trades, alternative platforms may provide better value. Balancing its affordability with its limitations is crucial for determining whether Wealthsimple Trade aligns with an individual's investment goals. By targeting a specific demographic, primarily new and passive investors, Wealthsimple Trade succeeds in demystifying investing while still leaving room for improvement in serving more advanced market participants.